Good morning, dear students. Hope everyone are doing well. Today, I shall start a new chapter of geography, that is chapter 4, air. So, let's begin with our class. Students, do you know the interesting fact about air is that air is all around us, but we can't see it. So, what is air exactly? So, air is the invisible gaseous substance surrounding us. The blanket of air that surrounds Earth is called the atmosphere. It is made up of many gases and it is very important for the existence of life on the Earth. Living beings cannot survive without atmosphere, as it provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Major changes in the atmosphere can cause floods, cyclones, droughts, etc. Now, let us move to the next topic, that is composition of atmosphere. Air is a mixture of varying amounts of gases and other particles. The air we breathe is a mixture of gases. Nitrogen and oxygen make up the bulk of the atmosphere. These are two gases which make up the main part of the environment. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in very smaller traces. Apart from these gases, tiny particles and water vapors are also present. Nitrogen is the most abundant and make up around 78% of the total atmosphere. You know that plants need nitrogen for their survival, but they cannot take it directly from the air. Form of nitrogen, that is from air, is changed by the bacteria that live in the soil and roots of some plants so that plants can use it. Now, next, oxygen. You know, oxygen makes up around 21% of the total atmosphere. Humans and animals use oxygen from the air for breathing, and green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. Now, as I have already told you, the remaining 1% of the total atmosphere is made up of small amount of gases such as argon, carbon dioxide, ozone, methane, hydrogen, helium, neon and krypton. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are additionally present in air. Now, let us see carbon dioxide. So, you know that carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide, and the amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals seem to be equal to the amount used by the plants which make a perfect balance. Student, do you know that carbon dioxide is also called greenhouse gas? And why it is called greenhouse gas? Because it creates a greenhouse effect by trapping the heat radiated from the earth. Next, let us know what is global warming. So, global warming is when level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases due to smoke or fumes emitted by the vehicles and the factories. Then more heat is retained and hence increasing the temperature of the earth. Now let us move and see what is air circulation. So when air is heated, it expands and becomes lighter and goes up. And in that case, cold air, which is dense and heavy, sinks down. And when the hot air rises, the cold air from the surrounding area fill in the gap. And that is how air circulation takes place. So students, this is all for today. In my next class, I shall do structure of atmosphere of chapter air. So here I conclude. Thank you and take care.